Yeah, because my call you from where I'm not get you. You alright?
Good in the country deal with some things.
You not call. You not come check me. And when you make your country move, then you just a move in silence. You sure everything alright?
Yeah, man. There's some personal things but that they deal with, man. Yeah, man, as soon as I come up me, link you, and make you know what I'm going.
Man, you little man, I take you away from we, you know.
That not happen, Goody. That will never happen. Remember say you like the system I never have, you know.
Bubbles. Browning dead, you know.
What you say? So, them not get no details as to how she died?
The man say our sister find her with her throat cut.
God no, star. I wonder if it have anything to do with where her sister involved in her.
And next thing, with 5 Vision, I feel like some connection there, you know.
You wonder something you really believe in them something, Goody?
Well, believe kill and believe cure. Don't just write it off.
God no, star. It's looking for 6 though.
Just be careful on the road, yeah? And please link me as soon as I come up from country.
Yeah, man. I'm really sorry for here still. Can I call back, yeah? Yo, you frightened me, you know, man.
Bubbles. Yeah, get me in a trouble with that phone. Yo, me not talk to you already, man.
You're not no news to me yet.
Bubbles. Do my thorough check, you know. And when you're not going about it.
Interesting.
The agent, babe. Tell me something. And I'll tell you how I go down.
Slinger. The less you know, the better it is at this point. We make an oath for uphold the law and take down anybody who try to work it. Even though I'm not an agent anymore, same principle apply.
So, you have the border situation, you know.
May I get to the bottom? May I get to the base of the situation? Because as Ninja Man said, something alright. Something alright. Hey G.
Careful, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Come on. Yeah, man. Smith. Your school, man. You know you think already, man. Alright, Agent Smith. Alright, now I'm going to send a number to you right now. I'm going to want you to check everything on the number from the phone. Turn on the last time it turn on up until now. I want every information on it. Yeah, man. Quick, you know. As quick as possible. And just shoot it to me. Now come check you. Alright. Yeah, my brother.
Wait, no, I'm going. Where are you from? Like 3. Size 11. Alright, we link. Yeah, man. Like 3. Size 11. possible.
I can't bother with your time, you know. If you never go, me go get it, then it's alright. Do what you have to do. Watch ya. Are you just have to run it through, you know? Here? But finally get bubbles, but not too long talk to her a while ago. So she there country.
Country?
Yes, she deal with some things.
I feel like a country bubbles there, you know.
Why?
See, mo, the vision them a play out too much. Feel bubbles just up and go country and I tell we.
But I don't like say you dream nothing specific about she, so she said she there country. I believe her. Her bubbles not gonna tell me no lie.
Alright. Well, I come for ask your opinion on something.
What?
Me I go check on Shopee.
Check my Shopee. Shopee sick?
No, but my father did say if you come get hype on him.
Your father said come get hype on Shopee. So you just go cross the road to Shopee and ear well do and you in a tight dress and go on with yourself.
You think me forgot to talk to him, yes or no?
Whatever if you say, your father say if you go check on him. You want to check on him then, huh? Me up on the road, I so come. Who is it? You know same baby mother live over there now, right? Yes. Tell you.
If that be mother me check.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Whoa! These guys are crazy. Don't do it! Why did you do that?
Go over Shopee. Don't go over Shopee. Go over Shopee. I don't go over Shopee. You know what I mean over this? Johnny, all gone.
Where you say 5? Long time I don't see you. Everything alright?
Yeah man, everything good.
Good for know. You want serve?
Not really, no. Shopee the ball?
Supposed to run him room at a long time I don't see him still. He come in the shop and just turn back out.
Yeah. You give mother the day?
Yeah, I think so.
You can't call him for me?
Alright, yeah. Shopee!
Yes, Robbie.
5 for me, yeah.
Yeah, I'll be there in a minute.
Alright.
Hey, Denise Ferguson, aka 5, how are you?
Winston, please nobody be sarcastic.
We can still see each other, you know, like big people and talk. We just come here for apologize to the way we deal with it on the phone.
Hold up. Slow down, baby girl. First of all, I'm not being sarcastic. Second, you don't have to apologize for your actions. And third, I'm not mad at you. I've moved on. And I'm happy. I only hope you're happy too. Oh, by the way, how's your boyfriend? What's his name? Kyle?
Winston, you alright?
Never been better.
Winston, why you left out of the room? I never said anything to
I'm
me.
sorry, sweetheart. I'm sorry. You remember Denise?
Denise.
My ex-girlfriend, 5.
Oh, you found your birth certificate with a government name on there. That's so sweet.
You're so hilarious.
I know, right? So what brings you here?
Shappy, you sure you're alright?
He's fine. Winston, why don't you go in? What are you doing outside in your underwear? What did we say about you coming outside in your underwear?
Never come outside in your underwear.
Exactly.
What was I thinking? I'm sorry, sweetheart. I'll be inside when you're done, okay?
See you soon. Now let me tell you something, little miss. And I say miss very loosely. If you're here to get back with Winston, don't even think about it because your time has passed already. I'm only going to say this once. Stay away from Winston. Do I make myself clear?
Something not right for you. The fake like China jewelry. You see anything what you do to him, trying to make me find out. I make a proper beating for you.
Aww, if delusional was a person. Now stay away from Winston.
Or what?
Sweetheart, aren't you coming in?
My man is calling.
Don't worry, we are gonna meet again. Yes, Kyle. I'm there on a goodie. We need for talk. You can come pick me up, but stop at the top of the road. No, come meet you. Alright.
So you plan for do about Slimmers?
Nothing for now, bad man.
You know, I feel like it's a mistake that though.
That me a pray. Me not like how she just there. Flip up and a go on. You see me I say, boss?
And she me really worry about, you know, are the two clown them or them up on them side, you know.
Gun back. Young lad. Brother, Slimmers are not threat, you know. Not with the two local gummy beer them a shop out with, you know, brother. Right now, a different thing me I made. You see me?
So what the threat then, boss? That me you wanna know?
So what the threat? King?
Now you pray the bigger picture. Cause remember, Slimmers are not really one threat. She just lose her sister and she work off her emotions. They don't know how man stay already. But you see King now. If King give the orders, they must come for it. You see me? So, I have to meds him.
A real meds, you know. Like I tell man.
So boss, so what you suggest? We go for King? That me want know. Just talk to me now, man.
But that's go impossible. How we are gonna pull off that?
Young lad, nothing impossible. Slimmers now have no power. The only thing she can do is pressure King, you know. And when she pressure him, you know, pressure bust pipe, then he will give the orders to come for it. So, you see why I have to med so.
So you think it's a wise idea for go for King? Man, they come like legion, you know. The man, they well geared up, you know.
Don't say it look like you lose a screw. Because it's like, you know, remember what happened to the last man we guard up. Why you think it's impossible to touch a man to guard up? Just watch that movie, man. Just ease yourself and know what is coming. Because he's going to get what is coming to him. And I ask Christ that.
So if you kill the king, you become the king. That we are pray, you know. Though, kill the king. You mad, you know?
Yeah, one king. Time for a new person to take over. People them don't want an old king. So they can only be one king.
And that is kill the king.
No, you're chat bad man.
So we are going to accomplish that.
Don't worry about that. Everything take proper planning. But on that I want to reason about. Me have some unfinished business with some youth over Sea Park. And them I want to take care of. See like only there now, trouble.
Voted Best Hostel by Bookings.com 3 years in a row. Dance Hall Hostel, the place to stay when you're in Kingston. Visit our new location in Falmouth. Plan your trip and enjoy our beautiful island. Take dance classes with Dance Xpressionz. Online classes also available. Transportation, excursion, and accommodation included in our package. Book now at dancehallhostel@gmail.com.
It's DB and I'm ready to rock. It's DB, you know I'm locking the block. It's DB, the girls are falling my trap. It's DB, yeah, I'm ready to pop. Girls, what's my name? Dog man.
Watch another, I'm so much up for you, see it? I'm head not too right now, man, see it? Don't worry your head, man, I'm gonna make you get something, man. Yeah, man, that's play a little time there.
That my name is DB. How much dog we got 3? I'm a girl named Goody. She no run for beat me. She locked me out after 3 and say outside, that's where I should be. Yo, what's my name? Dog man.
He's the baddest dog I know.
Dog man.
Once was a puppy, but now him grown.
Bless her.
Dog man.
He's the baddest dog in town.
Champion, never back now after now.
He's a clown.
Big arsenal.
We must get our song.
DB, Shopping never tell us say, I want to talk to you.
A long time I don't see them man there now. I don't hear nothing from him.
Alright, you know some write poetry, right?
Yeah.
And I have one poem that I feel like I could have turned in a song. And I think you're the fittest person.
Big man thing now, Shaman. Right now, some whole heap of things I have to deal with, you know. You see me right now, I better wait for my voice a song on tour with him himself come give me, you see me? Right now, I never can 2 minutes that still in the book. Yeah, what? Just give me some time and circle me back, you see?
Alright, DB, me circle one idea when you have time. By the way, you know no smaller money than this?
Yeah, that alone me have to know.
Alright, here one, when you're done studio time, okay, come.
Alright, now see how. Bless up.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, I think I have one of them big yellow government envelope them. Make it put the paper every night. Voila.
Alright.
Well, As promised, keep up my end of the bargain. So that's it. I hate this now, you know. There's no turning back from here, so. You understand?
Yeah.
And you're alright with what you need to do with the puppy tail boy, right? That's
Right,
it.
I understand.
You sure?
Yeah, I understand.
Look for me. Look for me. Because I don't believe it.
I don't believe it.
Right.
What want father sale?
Where's the DB?
But there, you know. You know, so I work on a new song, I want a one-drop vibe to it. Yeah, man, I get a instrumental from somebody, but it nah give me no vibe. You say you have nothing with you, you know, no new beats, I can go and hear something.
Yeah, man. I'm not far from your place, you know, so yeah, man, I can't swing by because me have the rhythm with me too.
Alright, so yeah, man, I could get 10 minutes at a time.
Alright, man, swing by you, alright?
Yeah, man, I'm not hold up, man. Just give me a fast link to the studio.
Okay, cool.
Alright then, father said.
Sure you don't want to sit at the front?
I'm good around here, so.
I feel like an Uber driver still.
Uber? You mean taxi driver? Uber no there Jamaica.
Well, actually that's not true. Uber is actually here right now. I actually saw an article with it. So.
Okay.
So where do we go from here? Do we go to the house to talk or something?
No.
Alright, so where do we go then?
Somewhere public.
You alright, DB?
I'm good, man, father still. Where you going with?
How you move so weird?
No, man, everything good, man. For a long time, I'm not going to sleep. You know them way there?
So what you really want to do? I said, walk with my rhythm, man.
You know, so there are made one song for some people still, you see me, but really, when I get it, nah, give me no vibe.
I'm here, we have now.
Alright.
have any episodes?
I'm sure.
I beat this, you see me? So me not meant to look a weed song on it, you see it? So that me a stay so. I tell him say me go weed, say, need some weed to my brain. Tell him go weed insane, need some weed to my brain. So me reach at the station and him a say, boy you in a luck. And no bush weed, him said the weed bad you. Him say go on to your yard and no make me see your back. But before you left the station, left some weed on the block. Me say alright squaddy, don't say ya.
I ain't never see fit for tell me. Really, Kyle?
I wanted to tell you. I was going to tell you, but
Don't tell me. You forgot. You realize that this is something very serious?
Dennis, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry, but this condition is a serious condition. You don't just blurt it out to everybody just like that.
Kyle, you're sorry, but this is serious. You realize that you are a danger to the people around you? You could have hurt me.
Listen, Denise. First off, once again, I'm really sorry, right? For me, honestly, there are only two things that calm me. One, the music, and two, is you.
So Kyle, what triggers you?
Alright, Denise, where to start? I was a soldier in the army, and I saw my best friend die on the battlefield. Also, I was captured by the enemy for like 2 weeks and I was tortured. Part of the torture from the enemy was shouting. They used to shout at me. When I came home from the war, friends in the army, they started shouting at me. My brethren, closest brethren, his family blamed me for his death and they started shouting at me. And I mean, I won't lie, all of this was just a bit much. I couldn't deal with it. All the shouting, all the blaming, all everything as if it's my fault that he died, and really and truly it wasn't. It was a bit much, and it just comes out like that, and I'm really sorry.
So the tablets that I took, they help you?
Yeah, they help me. I won't lie, they do. But the best thing that helps me is my music and you.
Kyle, I understand, but I still gonna need some time to process this.
I understand still. Take all the time you need. If there's anything you ever need from me though, you can let me know.
Thanks for understanding.
Alright, Denise. Now that we're coming clean, is there anything that you want to say to me?
No.
Come on, Denise. This whole thing started really and truly from us having an argument about the same thing. I came clean, I told you everything. You don't think it's only fair that you just come clean with me too? What are you hiding?
Okay. But you have to promise me that you will not judge me.
Watcha, I'm me alone. I'm in my own alone. I grow my trees my own. Simply leave me alone. You mess with me weed and I'm strap up with it. And you will get one off no time.
You know, my for be honest, I don't really feel upon this. I don't feel the brother upon this, you know. I don't feel the vibe.
Men's not even to there, you know, father say, big man thing, you know. Just there and try hold it, you see.
Yes, brother, but you have to separate it from the music, you know. You have to put that aside. You have to put yourself in it and made too much sweet song to one. I mean, you have to do something, you know, change up your thing, brother. You know, you're overwork, man. I don't want you to listen to my mind rhythm, you know. But you have to change up the thing. you know, my thing's different. Man, you know, do some culture tune, man. You know, the JCDC Festival song competition will come up, and them contact me, you know. You ever think for do something like that? Something culture for your country? Than them regular thing, yeah?
For real, no father say, I know say that good for do something different still.
Yeah, man, we're gonna do some work, man, because me don't even like how you look, you know. Me don't like how you look, man, and come on, make music, man, and live yourself, music and medicine, you know. Yeah, man, that's really for, man, music, man. So love yourself, man, and free up yourself, brother.
Real, no father say.
You know, work, man. Yeah, man.
Real,
like it's song we say, you know. And so I could come listen to some of my rhythm, man. Bro, you listen to some of them stuff for me out, man.
Yo, Big Boss. How are you there? I'm linked up on the ground that I hear what going on, you know. I want to go grab some things from the bar. They're on the front, man. That's forward, number J. Alright.
Don't do that, I'm going
man. I put some. Oh, make sure put it on feet. They still have the pictures in the box.
Bingo. Come on, thing good. King, go on. Oh, yeah, say. Thing up and running. That's the next week Tuesday. Yo, King, the next week Tuesday, you know, big car opening. 6 p.m. Yeah, man, we are talking about King. You know the chefs. Next week Tuesday, 6 o'clock. 100 strong, we are forward over that. Yo, make sure you're like a silly friend in there around there, because we can't take the problem in the King. So it's everything go on. Alright, now say I heard, we come shell the bar there. Big boss. What's that? What's that? What about it? You go home, bro, by this time, we have to play the box. You know, energy. No, I'm from nowhere.
First, me and team still. One thing me know. If the man that drink a master with a straw, daddy.
You know,
you
mean you can't trust the man.
You
want to pull up from time.
Keep an eye on it. True. You don't trust a fly.
Yeah, man, I'm not just a
You know, to make a pay.
Make him feel uncomfortable.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you know. That's already coming up.
What exactly did you want me to do, Carlton?
Make an effort to find your husband.
And you should have made better preparations for your wife. You left for months and I was left with nothing at all. They took the houses, the vehicles, and I couldn't even touch anything in our account because it was frozen. Nothing at all was in my name. I wasn't your wife. I was your living help.
Sandra, you have any idea when we go through the last couple of months?
I don't care. I see a strong, healthy man standing up in front of me. For all I know, you run off with some woman. Are you in hiding from the police with all your shady dealings?
What shady dealings? We are talking about.
The same shady dealings that the police asked me about.
And you believe them?
I don't know what to believe in about her.
If you believe that the man they are married.
I don't know the man I'm married in Carlton. I thought I did. But you've been gone for 5 months.
You never waste no time running back with little duckhead Rasta boy.
Well, he was there when you weren't, You left me to the mercy of this whole world.
What go on? Next week, Tuesday. 6 at night.
So where that leave us? Are you saying that's it between us?
Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying.
You realize that we're still legally married though?
Carlton, we've never ever even loved each other, You've always loved your ex-wife, and I've always wanted Winston. And I have Winston now.
Alright, son. You have Winston. You know what I want from you though? Remember that key they gave a put on for safekeeping? I need it now. So, run along, get me my key, and you get a divorce.
Why should I do that? Huh? Since you left me all high and dry, you're out there with your woman and you're hiding from the police, why should I give you your key? Maybe I should keep that key. Maybe it's my insurance policy, right? I don't know what's it the key to. Maybe it's your treasures. Maybe it's your money. I don't know. I think I'll hold on to it for a bit.
Sandra, you don't want to play this game with me. Trust me. Give me the key. Maybe over 1 week. Think about it. 1 week.
house. You can read, Mrs. Simone Wallace? Read this. How about that girl here? Me not read nothing. So come out of my house. Your house? That's why I'm ask if I can't read. And then your house no more. Read this. You must see that. The last time I check, that man is dead. Me not tell you again, you know. Come out of my house and I make me have to take you out. Hey girl, come out of my house now. Oh, so you now, come out.
Carry on the van.